Hello friends, welcome back. In the last video, we have seen that the values were not resetting. So let's try it again. So let me add any email ID, okay, anything, and let's hit enter. So here it is showing error, but these values are not resetting, okay. So let's fix that. So let's go to the login page. In the login.js, here we need to add the value. So value that is going to be for email, it is email address, okay, and for password it is password. So password, okay, this email and password is coming from the state. So here it is email and password, so we are setting it here. So we need to pass the value. Let me save this and let's try it now. So let me refresh this, and now I'll try with some email ID which is not there in the database. So if I hit enter, now the values are getting reset, okay. Now, what if I want to add a custom error message? So right now we can see Firebase error auth invalid login credential. So this error message is not looking good. Okay, so if we want to customize this message, so what we have to do is we need to go to login, and here we need to add a condition. Okay, if condition. So let's try that. So first, let's check what we get in the console. So as you can see here, here is the error code, which is auth invalid login credential. So if I console, so let's console here only, console.log. Let's check the error code. So here I'll say error dot code. Okay, let me save this and let's go back. Let's refresh. If I right click, inspect, and if I go to console, and now if I add any email which is not valid, so, and if I hit login, so here the error code is auth invalid login credential. Okay, so now let's add the if condition. So here I'll say if error dot code is triple equal to auth slash, what is the error message, what is the code, auth slash invalid login credentials. So let me copy this, and I'm going to paste it here. So if this condition is true, if the error code is, sorry, if the error code is, if the error code is auth slash invalid login credential, then what we need to do is we need to set the error message. Let's cut this, and here I need to paste it. So here we can customize the message. The login credentials are invalid. Okay. Else set error, which is going to be error dot message. If anything else, then show this message. Otherwise, if the login credentials are invalid, then show this message. So now let's try this. So let me refresh the page again. Now we will able to see the custom message. So let me add some email, anything. Okay. So now, as you can see, the login credentials are invalid. Okay. So this is the error message. Now let's try some invalid email ID. So if I do like hello.com, okay, and here I'll do some password. If I add some password and if I click on login, so now this error code has changed auth invalid email. So the email address is badly formatted. So what if that if we get this kind of a error? Okay, so then here we need to again say, so here I need to enter, and I'll say else if error code. Let me copy this so that we can save our time. So error code, if the error code is auth invalid email, so let me replace this. Okay, if this condition is true, then set the error message. Let's copy this. The email address is badly formatted. Okay, you can put your own custom message. So I'm just showing you that how can you customize the message. Now let's refresh. And now let's do again hello.com and any password, hit enter. The email address is badly formatted. Okay, so or you can say email address is invalid. So this is how you can add a custom messages by checking the codes. Okay, so this is it. Let me remove the console. Where is the console? Here it is. We don't require now. So this is how we can customize the error message and we can reset the value. So this in this video, I just wanted to finish the login page. Now in the next video, we will work on the sign up page. So this is it for this video and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.